That's without the fog light. And then this is with the fog light. It's really bright and wider than a headlight. Okay, today I'm about to take a video for replacing my fog light is350. And then this company name called SEALIGHT, they sent me the LED fog light. And then let's see. Okay, the model, type is a XF3 and then 9006 HB4. Okay, let me open it and see what they got in the box. And then they have like all different type of O-ring to seal it up. Then they comes with a pair of a 9006 fog light. Okay. Let's see how they work. Okay, you see the like all yellowish, fog light right there? That's OEM. And then I'll show you after we do the installation. Okay, first of all, we just need the flash driver to turn, and then remove it. See the pin. So you just have a vertical to horizontal. This one. Remove it. And there's a 10mm. Now we can do by hand. $10mm bolt. You can use a flip screwdriver. And just push it in. Okay. Then you can just press the clip right here, unplug it, and then plug back in. Okay, so when you put it back in, you just unplug this, slide through here, this one same, plug back in, and then slide in. Okay, so when you put it in, you just push it in with the vertical, then there should be clicking. And then put the 10mm here. Okay, and then I'm gonna show you what's the difference on the OEM and then the SEALIGHT LED fog light, and then I'll do the passenger side. Okay, that's the one that SEALIGHT LED fog light. It's a really white. It's compared to your headlight. It's the same color. And then that's the yellow one. That's the OEM. So I'm about to change that one, and then I'll show you after. Okay, this is the one for passenger side. Just turn it. And then there's a 10mm here. Turn it towards you, Coroton. And just press this button. And this one is being so they stuck. Okay, before I change it, let me just compare the OEM. Okay, that's the OEM light. And then SEALIGHT LED fog light. You see the difference? Okay, let me turn it off. Yeah, so let me just put it back in. Lock up. So anyway, we can just move this. And like I told you, you can just push it in and it locks up. It's right here. Yeah, this one is after we change it to the SEALIGHT LED fog light, so it match with the OEM headlight color. That's without the fog light, and then this is with the fog light. It's really bright and wider than a headlight.